Hello, my friend. My name is Ontarian Hawkins. Give yourself a hand. You actually made it, and we are delighted to have you. I am the author and the creator of Passive Profits, and I tell you what, this is not a coincidence that you are here. We're going to help you make a substantial amount of money this year or for many years to come. So pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you in these next few minutes. So here's my family here. In the middle, we have my wife, my lovely wife, Kima. To the left, we have my daughter, my lovely daughter, Kyrisha. And then to the right of my wife, we have my lovely daughter, Cameron. First and foremost, I am a man of God. My faith has gotten me to where I am today, and I'm so thankful for the Lord for that, okay? Second of all, as you can see, I am a family man. I love my family to death, and I would do anything for them. I used to be a ex-truck driver. That's right, all those big 18-wheelers you see on the road every day. I used to drive one of those things, and I tell you, it was definitely an experience. I didn't do it for that long. I did it for about 8 months, 9 months. Then I got burnt out. I said, you know what? I need to pursue my entrepreneurship dream. And that's exactly what I did. Now, this may give you a little chuckle, this next one here. I'm an ex-chicken wingatarian turned vegetarian. What does that mean? Basically, I used to love chicken wings. I used to eat them in my sleep. No, I'm kidding with you. But if I could, I would. That's how bad it was. Now I've turned vegetarian, and you know what? I feel much better. It's a healthier lifestyle, and I'm glad I made the switch. Last but not least about me, I am a member of the NFL club. Now, I was not a professional football player, never have been. The NFL stands for No Friends List. When I first started in this industry, network marketing, so to speak, I blazed through my friends list, friends and family list. They laughed at me. They called me crazy for starting a business. And they told me, hey, go out and get a job, Ontario. And I said, no, I'm going to pursue my dream. And here we are today. I'm a full-time entrepreneur. And now I'm on a mission to help you do the same thing. Maybe you've ran through your NFL list. If so, that's okay. You're in the right place at the right time. So what is my mission? My mission is, first of all, to help 1,000 families break free financially in 2020 and beyond. I believe I'm going to do it this year. I really do. And the year after 2021, 2022, we're going to multiply this number by 3, 4, and even 5-fold. So why direct mail? Why do I have a program in the direct mail business? Well, let me just say this first. I got started in direct mail way back in 2014, and direct mail is really what helped me to gain a lot of momentum in the offline and online space. I credit direct mail to helping me go full time back in 2014, and that is why we are doing direct mail now, and that is why we have our own program now, because we're going to give you guys the keys to the kingdom. We're going to show you exactly how to be successful with this business model. So what's in it for me, or what's in it for you? Well, first of all, with Passive Profits, we are doing 90+% of the work for you. What does that mean? Well, first of all, you have your own personal sales team that's going to close your sales. That's right. We are going to close your sales. That is what I call true passive income. My program, Passive Profits, has a very, very high income potential. Okay, as you will see, my goal is for you to make an extra 4 to 5 figures per month. That's right, per month. It's going to be stress-free, and it is newbie-friendly. I don't care if you're just coming off the streets, if you never turned on a computer, if you never did any type of direct mail, you can do this. If you can put a postcard in the mail along with a stamp if you can put a postcard with the stamp in the mail, you can do this. Very, very easy, okay? We're going to show you how to be successful. So don't take it from me. You know, you may be looking at this for the first time. You may be wondering, who is Ontarian? Who is this guy? Why should I join him? Why should I trust him? Well, don't take it from me. Take it from some of my colleagues, my good friends, business partners, clients, customers who've worked with me over the years. And these are real people, by the way. You can look them up, okay? And they will tell you the same thing that I'm going to read to you. So let's start off with my good buddy and friend out of Texas, Nicholas Lau. He said, Ontarian Hawkins is the truth. He is an honest and humble entrepreneur in an industry full of people that lack integrity and compassion. He truly loves to help people succeed and spends a ton of time educating his audience. You can't go wrong with this guy. I've been following him for years and consider him a good friend now. He's a true story of hard work and determination. Thank you so much, Nicholas. My other good friend, Steve Day Garcia, he's from California. He said, Ontarian Hawkins is by far the best mentor you can find online. He has helped me to see what it takes to make money online. And most of all, he is someone you can trust. All right. So thank you so much, Stephen. Next, we have my good friend, Amanda Ray out of New York. I've been knowing Amanda Ray since 2014, actually. We both got started in the direct mail industry. And I had the privilege of mentoring Amanda. And now today, Amanda is also a full-time six-figure plus entrepreneur, guys, because of our connection. Okay. So here's what she has to say. She says, Mr. Hawkins has a ton of time and knowledge under his belt when it comes to direct mail and postcard marketing. I've learned a lot from his teachings. Being on his team will allow you to feel security and support. So thank you for that, Amanda. We're going to go to a few more, and then we're going to wrap it up here in a little bit. We got Lindsay Moore. She said, truly grateful for my connection with Ontarian. He has helped me in so many ways in order to step up my business and gain more exposure for my business. Looking forward to our future endeavors. All right. Thank you so much, Lindsay. My good friend, other good friend, Nathan Williams said, I met and started working with Mr. Hawkins over a year ago with one of his profitable money-making opportunities. It was not only profitable for me, but it has increased my growth in the field of online marketing. I highly recommend working with Mr. Hawkins in any and all of his ventures. He will lead you in the right direction. And thank you so much for that again, Mr. Williams. And then last but not least, Misty McNally, guys, and there's a ton more testimonials out there about me. I just want to get you comfortable in making an educated decision to join us today, because you will not be sorry. All right. Mr. McNally said, I just want to take a second to thank Ontarian Hawkins, the passive income guru. He really cares about the other people's success. The time he has taken to help me since I became a network marketer, teaching and mentoring me has been priceless. P.S. And by the way, again, Misty has also last year become a full-time entrepreneur, guys. This is the real stuff. Okay. He really works with honor and integrity. I will follow him in any program at any time. I'm super pumped about his postcard direct mail program. All right. So thank you so much, Misty McNally. So what's your next step? So now here's what I want you to do. This is how you get started. So step one, you need to call the toll-free number on the postcard. That is very, very imperative. The second step is reference the ID number on the card. That's how you're going to get paid. That's how we're going to get the person you're joining paid. So it is very important that you call that number, 800 number, reference the ID number, so that one of our representatives can get back with you as soon as possible. Okay. And then step number 3, make sure to ask about how to get our exclusive bonus. You don't want to miss this, and see if you qualify for a free vacation stay. All right, my friend. So thank you so much for watching this presentation. Again, follow those 3 steps as soon as possible. Right now, I recommend that you do it right now, and let's get you started on the road to financial freedom. God bless. Looking forward to working with you. Talk to you soon.